So, who do you think is a better captain, MS Dhoni or Virat Kohli? If you wake up as Rohit Sharma one day, what would you do first? If one day you wake up as Yuzvendra Chahal, what would you do first? Hello everyone, my name is Shayanto Shengupto and welcome back to another episode of Sportang Originals where we talk to a lot of sporting conversations and we try to have some meaningful and insightful conversations. And in another super episode, we've got two very super people, two very amazing people who are absolute content mavericks, who are content powerhouses. They are two very dear friends of mine. They've been my seniors in college. It's very sad to say they have been because unfortunately their college life is over. But they happen to be the hosts of a very popular audio show, a very popular podcast show called Overthrow Cricket Podcast. And I'm going to talk about it in a while. But firstly, thank you, Shashwat. Thank you, Arjun, for taking out time and coming in our show today.
Thank you, Ji. Namaste, namaste. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks for reading out what we told you to say about us.
Send me the check, please. Yeah.
Yes,
Sure,
yes.
sure.
But you know, guys, honestly, I'll tell you, I keep telling my friends that Overthrow Cricket is here to stay. Overthrow Cricket podcast will make it big. It'll take off in a while. But I feel it's a very fun and quirky podcast. I feel that it's a little out of the box because it does not follow any traditional path. It's always amusing conversations, fun conversations. So, Shaswarad, I wanted to ask you something on this only. Okay. So, 2019, I met you. And I knew you, okay, that you're into cricket, you're into sports, okay. We've played in the college cricket team for a few tournaments, and plus we've played in ITS, which is an intra-batch tournament of our college, where both of us were the captain. So I knew, okay, that you had this passion and love for the sport. So did it stem from here only, this love that you started Overthrow Cricket podcast? So how did how did this idea come about?
Yeah, man. I think for your previous show only, I was there while I recorded an episode with you, and that was around in July or
Hmm,
June 2020 during the
hmm,
lockdown. And I remember the after a very long break, for the first time, you were going to see cricket through England versus West Indies wali
hmm,
jo test series thi. So at that time, I think it was around after 3-4 months we were going to see cricket, and I remember telling you also कि मेरा भी मन है कि of doing something like this, like where cricket is something like uh, if I think that कि मैं बड़ा हो जाऊंगा if I like
hmm.
if I'm a proper adult में मतलब मैं settle हो गया हूँ मैं फिर भी I won't have anything जिसमें मेरी expertise हो ऐसा लगता है
Yeah.
but cricket is
And
something
on
because
top
yeah
of this, I feel that apart from your passion for the sport, you're very creative. Okay. So, for the listeners who don't know, I think that Shashwat is one of the most creative guys I've ever seen because if you go to his Instagram page, not just the page of Overthrow Cricket, if you just go to his personal account, you'll see a lot of variety of stuff, right from memes to songs and everything. So, that in itself proves that he's very creative. So, I think that creativity and passion को लेके एक proper चीज खड़ा हुआ है यहाँ पे, isn't it?
yeah thank you for that uh, I'll मेरे को बता देना तेरा नंबर यूपीआई में I'll send it to you so but
Right.
हाँ नहीं it was just that cricket is something जो मैं 5 साल का था तब से देखते आ रहा हूँ and
Hmm.
it's something कि उस पे मैं कभी भी आप मेरे को उठा भी दो रात में I'll be very comfortable talking about it and I remember talking to Arjun my internship was going on and it was I think just 2 weeks before the IPL was gonna come and like I said we were gonna see the Indian team after 6-7 months because of the lockdown and
Right.
that's when I told ki let's do something where we talk about IPL and it's going to be there's going to be a lot of conversation about IPL because एक तो बहुत टाइम बाद हो रहा था दूसरी
Hmm.
बात ये थी कि it might be Dhoni's last season which definitely not it didn't happen but
Yeah.
ये सब hyped up था and eventually then we thought let's do overthrow so we started with the first season of IPL our aim was to cover every match every day but then I
Yeah.
realized no that couldn't happen because
Hmm.
you have to edit and you have to have a team properly we had a designer with us so we
Hmm.
realized ki this is not practical So
Right.
what we did was, then I called some of my friends. They were very generous
Hmm.
enough to help me.
Hmm.
Bhavna, Priyal, Abhinav,
Hmm.
and फिर मैं realize किया कि if we need to like upload content regularly, like on a daily basis, so you need to have a proper team with everyone with a proper role. तो वहाँ से ही स्टार्ट हुआ, एंड आई थिंक आई एम वेरी grateful to have such great people. And even Arjun, there was a time when Arjun wasn't able to manage it because he also had a lot of stuff to do.
Hmm.
He was preparing for I think some entrance exam, and
Hmm.
मेरे को
Hmm.
लग रहा था, why isn't he coming? He should be coming every day. Everyone should be as free as I am. But ऐसा
Hmm.
नहीं था. Then
Yeah.
I realized that we need to there needs to be that communication where everyone is comfortable, and things go smoothly.
Hmm.
तो then हाँ, मतलब अभी अभी तक चल रहा है. we've crossed I think 10 months,
Hmm.
और कितना 83 एपिसोड हो गए. तो luckily
Wow.
everything's been going well.
राइट एंड मुझे अभी भी याद है कि लास्ट ईयर ड्यूरिंग द आईपीएल टाइम आई सॉ दैट देयर वाज अ लॉट ऑफ प्रेशर ऑन योर एंड आई मीन वंस यू वी हैड अ कॉन्वर्सेशन ओवर द कॉल एंड you had said the very same thing that probably
Mm.
if there's a better team, if there's a more refined team, then it'll work. But coming to you, Arjun, I wanted to like know, since you're also another host of Overthrow Cricket and you're the poster boy of the show, Shashwat has kept on telling me that it's your face that actually matters to all the girls. So tell me, how has this journey been like as a content creator?
I didn't say anything like that, Arjun. I'm just letting you know. I didn't say anything like that.
Man, I think so. It's been really amazing. So, as Shashwat was first saying, that he was the one that thought of this, and he told me, "Hey, this is what I'm thinking. Would you be interested?" And I thought, "Yeah, but it's a very, very unique thing." And I think along the
Hmm.
way, it took a little bit of time to figure out how we can differentiate ourselves, because we didn't want to be somebody. We didn't want to be a podcast that just analyzes the game, because we're not experts enough to do that.
Hmm.
So, and we realized that we love comedy, we love stand up, and we thought, why not try to mix the two things that we enjoy, sports and having something, funny, something witty, something lighthearted, just having conversation about the game in a funny manner. And I think that's been what we've tried to keep Overthrow about. And as
Hmm.
Shashwat Bhai said, it started with the IPL 2020, and it was everything but smooth when we began. The first episode, I think we recorded for over an hour, and
Two
everything
hours,
was
two
all
hours.
over. Two
Yeah,
hours, all
yeah.
over the place. We were
Uh,
And you
there
had
was
to
no
trim it down
structure.
to how many minutes?
35 minutes.
From 2 hours, from a footage of 120 minutes to
Yeah.
35 minutes. That
Yeah,
must
that's
take a
what, like,
deal.
see, like, Arjun will like tell you about it, but
Yeah.
matlab, we didn't have a flow, we didn't have any process that we were following, and
Hmm.
we realized it after the first episode. Because first match was CSK versus MI, and it happened on 19th of
Hmm.
September, which was, technically it should have been uploaded by the morning of 20th or before the match starts, and we uploaded the
Hmm.
episode by the second match started, so
Hmm.
it wasn't relevant enough. So वहीं से I realized कि we need a better process.
Do you think that with an internship, yeah, फिर with any kind of external work, like if you're doing an internship, if there are college projects, is it difficult to manage, or if there are exams, is it difficult to manage certain aspects of a page like this?
Sort of, you're not regular enough because you're not giving enough time. And if you have a social media presence, you need to be regular,
Hmm.
or else the algorithm is such that,
Hmm.
4 दिन बाद if you don't post anything, they won't push it further.
Hmm.
So uh, things like that do affect. But I think I was also busy with one of my internships, but we still managed to continue with. We were a day late, like
Hmm.
match हमने late cover किया एक दिन बाद.
Hmm.
But we still sort of managed to, at least the audio episodes I was able to, because audio mein you don't have to edit that much.
Hmm.
But video I couldn't upload for a very long time, because video mein
Hmm.
I don't want to upload full 20-30 minutes ka audio recording, because
Hmm.
I know that people won't watch it. So I
Hmm.
just try to keep the best part jo people might find engaging, but I wasn't
Hmm.
getting time to do that. Bas
Hmm.
wahi, that was the issue that I was facing. I wasn't able to edit video episodes like the way we were doing in season 1
Yeah.
for
Yeah. I
the
feel
first IPL,
yes.
Yeah,
2020 IPL season.
Yeah, bhai, I think adding
Exactly.
to that, I just want to say that again, it goes back to the editing, which is the most important part, which is the part that takes the longest time, which is the part that I didn't know requires so much effort because I would just simply show up for the recordings and then I would go to sleep. But then it was Shashwat who would stay up and do the editing. And just a quick anecdote, I think for one of the World Test Championships, I had to give the timestamps of an episode, and that was the first time doing it, and I realized how much effort goes into doing something like that.
Mm,
So it's a lot of effort.
yeah.
And
Hmm.
I'm also curious to know from you, Shashwat, what have been a couple of learnings from when we first started with IPL 2020 to now? We've covered the India Australia, India England, and we've
Hmm.
covered the World Test Championship. So what has been the major learnings for you as a podcast and as an editor? What has
Shayantu,
changed?
is he allowed to ask me questions?
Yeah,
We're
yeah,
from the same show.
absolutely. No,
What
no,
has
no
changed,
problem.
man?
Yeah,
Please.
I
yeah,
mean, have we
yeah.
become
I
more
think
structured? I think extensively we plan, we make a flow for every episode. But editing wise, also anything, I'd love to hear your thoughts.
hmm, I think Arjun would agree that we are more professional now. The way we've approached. लाइक टाइम पे मैं भी टाइम पे आता हूँ रिकॉर्ड करने, आज नहीं आया बट वैसे मैं आता हूँ. और सेकेंडली when we started we were very like our motto was to be unfiltered, but we were like very bad. We didn't like, we forgot that they're professional
Timing wise
cricketers.
or something else? Okay, so you were very
Yeah.
okay. Got it, got it. So you used to
Yeah,
troll
like we were
cricketers
in
and
that
all.
sense. Yeah, we were
Yeah.
not respecting that they are professional cricketers. They have
Yeah.
done so much to
I
come
still
here.
remember that the bio of Overthrow had unemployed youths trolling cricketers or something like this. No, the
Yeah,
bio had
yeah,
of Overthrow.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
We changed
yeah.
that because it
You're
didn't
getting a little bit of
seem
presence
professional.
now.
Yeah, yeah. Because
Yeah.
one day eventually we'll try to get cricketers on, like as
Yeah.
like to interview them. I
Hmm.
I
Mm,
will try to do that, and like probably we might do. Arjun also might have some connections later on, but we can't
mm.
invite them to a page which says that we are trolling professional cricketers. So वो change करना पड़ा. And एक तो we कम उस चीज को हमने कम किया. We realized that we need to make fun of some aspects, but not what they are and what,
Mm.
like what their performances ke basis pe we shouldn't. And
Right.
then yeah, this was something that we curbed. And secondly, I think it would be uh, we have a proper structure to each episode. Like
Mm,
this is how it will start, these are the talking points, this is how long the duration would be for the recording, this is how
mm,
I'm like in the post production, itna hi hona chahiye, itna limit, not more than 20 to 25, if
mm.
maximum 30, if it's a very good episode, for example.
All right.
So
Mm,
this is something that we've realized ki, plus while analyzing also we've realized ki this kind of content is getting more views, or this
yeah.
even in social media also, like while creating the content there, I've realized ki if there are cricket clips instead of a normal meme, that might get like just a
Mm,
random clip from any match, that might
mm.
get more number of views rather than you working on an
Mm.
edit from an episode where we're
Exactly.
discussing the
Yeah.
match. Yeah, so
Absolutely. And I feel it's very important for creators to actually put source over there because Instagram has time and often taken down a lot of pages when they do not put source. And
that
I think
happened
you,
that happened
Shashwat
with us
bhai, why
also.
don't you tell us about the YouTube channel
Yeah,
and the
yeah. So
motherfuckers
I'll
at BCCI?
yeah. What's up with
just
the YouTube
censor.
channel? Yeah.
So I'll just say like, well, I'll do that quickly. But
Yeah.
first season May, we were adding clips from the IPL matches
Mm,
while in our episode, and it was just for 2-3 seconds, and we were uploading it on YouTube as well.
mm,
But suddenly one day after we were almost done with 17 episodes, half of it was done.
mm.
Suddenly saw that YouTube pay we had like multiple strikes, and then our
Shit.
channel got terminated.
Copyright
So
Uh,
violations because we were
copyright
using
violation.
the clips and which BCCI
uh,
wasn't happy about because they weren't getting any money
yeah.
from it.
Yeah, but
Uh,
So
like, yeah, we weren't actually using it for more than 2-3 seconds,
yeah,
and it
that's
was
the
just
mhm.
exactly, and that's the
That's
point.
the
But they're
policy
still
of
so
YouTube.
anal
It
about
should
it.
be less than 25% or some part of the video.
yeah,
You has to be original content. So why
yeah. But
why were
it
they
was it
giving a
was
strike
I
then?
don't know, but I can understand because
Mhm,
I had read about copyright laws and
Hmm.
how important it is for
Yeah.
people not manipulating what you've created. Then I realized,
Mm.
but it was just that like we didn't even use their audio. It was just 2 seconds or 1.5 seconds ka clip to just
Dude,
show that
why
this
are you
guy created.
defending them? Why are you
I'm not.
defending what they're doing?
No, I'm not defending, but like the thing is that they've invested so much money and they won't want
Hmm.
others to use it like
Yeah.
that.
That's
Yeah.
bullshit. I don't agree with that because let's take the example of Netflix's Drive to Survive, where there's been a lot of new fans of Formula One because of this show. So the point I'm trying to make is that if people don't make creative content and use such clips, then that's not really helping. That what we're doing is actually helping the sport, helping to increase
Mm.
popularity. We're throwing a fun
Mhm.
element into it. So why not allow us
Right.
to do that? What's the
That
issue? I
is that is
know
a
you
fair
guys are very
point.
money hungry. We
Yeah.
understand that. That's the way it works. But
Mm.
yeah, I mean, it's just ridiculous, I feel.
I feel
That's
exactly.
true.
I feel the standard should change in India. But then talking about popularity, Arjun, you feel that, podcasts on the sporting line, podcasts with a, sporting undertone will be on the rise right now since, I mean, people are consuming more audio content. The previous scenario was people used to read books to get a little bit of knowledge, to get a little bit of facts and to, have a good time. But then right now the entire landscape has changed and people are geared towards audio content right now. So you feel that in the coming times we'll see more overthrow crickets, we'll see more 22 yarns with Gaurav Kapoor and all of this coming into place.
Yeah, we'll see more of your show, and I think what I can't answer that question because I don't know much about other podcasts.
Yeah.
Specifically, but I'll speak a little bit about Gaurav Kapoor's 22 Yarns, which is very interesting. The
Hmm.
conversations he has
Hmm.
and the guests he brings
Hmm.
in, because those are
Hmm.
stories that you'll never hear in an interview or you'll never hear in a press
Hmm.
conference. And those stories are, I think, something that we're more, at least I'm more interested in than the game itself.
Hmm.
So just hearing about that is very gripping for me. And then again, the books. I think the Dhoni Touch, sorry, the Dhoni Touch by Bharat Sundaresan has been absolutely wonderful. That's a
And the
wonderful
book has
read.
come, Believe by Suresh Raina. I think
Yeah,
it was one of the most recent episodes. That was
Mhm.
another thing. And
yeah,
you're
yeah,
right. I feel that these episodes, they actually dig information and dig stuff which we'll never get to know. And the kind of connections Gaurav Kapoor has in the industry, I feel that no other journalist or no other,
Mhm.
YouTuber can actually do that because he actually shares a lovely camaraderie with the players. I think Virat Kohli, Yuvraj Singh, Ashish Nehra, and all of them have a close knit group, and Ashish Nehra
Mhm.
wouldn't ever go and say something like this to some other journalist of maybe
Mhm.
Times Now or Aaj Tak. He's going to come and say
Mhm.
it in 22 yards. So I agree with
Yeah.
you, Arjun, man, that he's actually redefining, cricketing consumption.
And like
What?
Arjun
Yeah.
said, ki the kind of conversations like he invited Bharat Sundaresan, who's a journalist and a writer,
Hmm.
for an episode. I was listening to it, and you really want to know कि when you're near Dhoni क्या होता है, not as a player, someone
Hmm.
like us who doesn't know him,
exactly. Yeah,
who's not
mm-hmm.
playing with him, he's not
Yeah,
a professional player or a coach,
mm-hmm.
someone
Hmm.
who's off the field, and उसके
Hmm.
साथ आप कैसे conversations करते हो to know that, where he's narrating कि he used to, when after writing the book also, when he met,
Yeah,
फर्स्ट चीज दैट धोनी सेड वाज कि तूने मेरे बारे में ये चीज गलत लिखी है, कि
Huh.
कुछ एक डिस्टेंस से उसने क्लिफ से वो मतलब वो बंजी
Hmm.
जंपिंग टाइप का किया था, समथिंग लाइक दैट,
Huh.
पैरा,
Huh.
हाँ पैराट्रूपिंग सॉरी।
Yeah.
सो उसमें उसने कुछ तो मतलब 1-0 ज्यादा डाल दिया था आगे,
Hmm.
मीटर्स का जो भी डिस्टेंस था।
Meters.
तो धोनी ने ना ग्रीट किया ना कुछ किया, उसने बस एक चीज़ पॉइंट करी कि तूने ये चीज़ गलत लिखी है। सो यू नो वो लोग कैसे, लाइक पीपल लाइक धोनी एंड सचिन एंड विराट, हाउ डू दे हाउ डू देयर नॉर्मल, लाइक व्हाइल टॉकिंग टू नॉर्मल पीपल लाइक अस, उनका प्रोसेस
Yeah.
क्या है, वो कैसे बात करते हैं। तो
Exactly.
दैट इज़ मोर इंट्रिगिंग रादर देन
Yeah.
गेटिंग टू नो कि वो फील्ड पे क्या करते हैं। Although
Exactly.
क्योंकि we will relate more because we don't play the game there and we are fans,
Hmm.
although we would be interested, but we will
Hmm.
relate more with कि वो as personal life में वो क्या किससे कैसे बात कर रहे हैं।
Yo, for
That's
sure,
Absolutely,
man.
weird.
and because press conferences, we get to know that side of, a cricketer. We get to know the gentleman side and all. But, the other side, the fan side and everything, the normal human being side, that is what we get to know from, Tree Sports Call, the shows. Be it 22
Mm.
Yarns, be it Breakfast with Champions, and so many other shows are there of Gaurav Kapoor. And I think in a way, this is actually, changing the way we look at, sports consumption.
Hmm.
Uh,
Gaurav Kapoor, if you're
Shashwat,
listening, please hire Shanto.
yeah.
पूरा 10 मिनट आपके बारे में बात हुआ है.
एब्सोल्युटली मजा आया बट
Hmm.
शाश्वत राइट नाउ आई मीन 4th अगस्त से काफी इंटरेस्टिंग और रोमांचक एक सीरीज शुरू होने वाला है इंडिया वर्सेस इंग्लैंड वी ऑल आर वेरी एक्साइटेड हाई ऑक्टेन सीरीज द लास्ट टाइम इंडिया लॉस्ट दे हैड won one game but they had lost
Hmm.
1-4 even world test championship अभी हम लोग फाइनल हारे हैं so you think that somewhere on the lines India can actually match up to England on their own backyard.
I don't see them winning again, although
Yeah.
it's a relatively weak team in comparison to the
Hmm.
2018 one. Because Ben
Hmm.
Stokes, he's taken a
Hmm.
break now due to
Yeah.
probably mental health issues. He wants a
Hmm.
break for himself,
He wasn't getting his
Hmm.
and
Red Bull endorsement, so he wanted to make a statement.
या
Yeah.
बट आई थिंक एक तो वो लॉस है और दूसरा
Hmm.
लास्ट टाइम एलिस्टर कुक की लास्ट सीरीज थी ही वोंट बी
Hmm.
देयर दिस टाइम
Hmm.
सो although it's a relatively weak team but I don't see them winning Indian team because they haven't played enough warm up games या फिर I think they've been training but अब 2 महीने एक कंट्री में हैं और आपने सिर्फ एक वार्म अप गेम खेला हो
Hmm.
तो थोड़ा और सिर्फ एक इंट्रा स्क्वाड मैच खेला और एक वर्ल्ड
और
टेस्ट
वो
चैंपियनशिप
भी
का.
वार्म अप गेम में विराट कोहली, अश्विन, all these players didn't play. अजिंक्य रहाणे, they took
या
a rest
या
from that also.
या या
Right.
सो वो मेरे को थोड़ा सा समझ नहीं आ रहा है प्लस आई थिंक अश्विन तो डिड प्ले काउंटी का एक मैच बट
एक गेम
ही
खेला
जस्ट
था.
प्लेड वन मैच सो
Yeah.
आई डोंट सी देम विनिंग इट बट आई कैन probably imagine them मतलब even if they lose fight होगी हर मैच में it won't be that one
Hmm.
sided so I think
Exactly.
अगर सारे मैचेस में रिजल्ट आता है अगर पिचेस वैसे हैं और बारिश नहीं होती है तो आई सी इट गोइंग 3-2 इन फेवर ऑफ इंग्लैंड और
3-2 in
प्रॉब्लली
favor
थ्री
of England.
3-2 और 3-1 एक मैच अगर ड्रॉ होता है तो
3-1.
या
I think last series का भी जो scoreline था it was 1-4 but then even that was very competitive. Every game में almost India जीत गया था. Even last game जीत ही जा रहे थे. But you're right. Even I feel that competitive तो होने वाला है इस बार. Because उनका Ben Stokes नहीं है. They don't have Alistair Cook. And I think Alistair Cook का वो void जो है nobody has been able to fill it up. I feel
या
among their openers. All of their
या
openers are very young right now. But if we talk about the playing 11, I have my version of playing 11, but then I want to know your version. What do you think? Who can be the playing 11 of India?
मैं मेरे को लगता है कि वर्ल्ड टेस्ट चैंपियनशिप वाली जो थी सिमिलर रही एक्सेप्ट फॉर शुभमन गिल जो होंगे नहीं क्योंकि वो
हम्म,
इंजर्ड है उनकी जगह पृथ्वी
जी.
शॉ को एयरलिफ्ट
हम्म,
किया गया कोलंबो से
हाँ, हाँ,
तो वो तो
Vivian Devine का छोटा भाई.
विवेन डिवाइन का छोटा भाई पृथ्वी
हाँ,
शॉ तो
okay,
उनको तो एयरलिफ्ट किया है बट आई
हाँ,
डोंट सी हिम प्लेइंग इन द फर्स्ट 2 मैचेस
okay,
क्योंकि उनका बहुत खराब फॉर्म था ऑस्ट्रेलिया में जो उनने एक टेस्ट मैच खेला था
हम्म,
तो उनकी टेक्निक अभी
हम्म,
भी थोड़ी सी तो है
हम्म,
ही डाउटफुल
of
वो जो
course, जी,
बैट पैट का गैप वाला सो
हाँ,
सेम ही टीम लग रही है मेरे को एक्सेप्ट फॉर वन
हाँ,
चेंज आई थिंक केएल राहुल वुड फाइनली गेट टेस्ट कॉलर और
okay,
मयंक क्योंकि मयंक का भी फॉर्म खराब रहा है तो आई डोंट सी हिम कमिंग
हाँ,
सो रोहित और राहुल वुड ओपन वन
okay,
डाउन पुजारा दे कैन ट्राई अगर पुजारा अब
yeah,
भी it doesn't show that much मतलब good
हम्म,
performance with the bat then I think
हम्म,
शायद वो लोग विहारी को कंसिडर करें
okay, number
लिटिल
3 पे,
नंबर 3 पे शायद करे बिकॉज़ ही हैज़ ओपन्ड
okay,
फॉर इंडिया आल्सो बिफोर सो आई
yeah,
थिंक
exactly in Australia,
बट हाँ फॉर द फर्स्ट मैच आई सी रोहित राहुल पुजारा
right,
2 डाउन कोहली 3
Kohli,
डाउन रहाणे 4
हम्म,
डाउन पंत and
हम्म,
I would still go with the two spinners, although that didn't
हम्म,
help them in the World Test
yeah,
Championship final. But आप दोनों को बैठा नहीं सकते हो जडेजा बैट के
हम्म,
साथ क्या कर जाएं अश्विन बॉल के साथ क्या
हम्म,
कर जाएं आप कुछ किसी को बैठा नहीं सकते हो। सो आई थिंक
और टेल एंडर का बैटिंग भी काफी इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाला है वहां पे, विल बी वेरी
वही वो
इंपॉर्टेंट।
बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। वो हमारे लिए वर्ल्ड
हम्म
टेस्ट चैंपियनशिप के फाइनल में भी न्यूजीलैंड के लिए दैट वाज द
हम्म
डिफरेंशिएटिंग फैक्टर व्हेन टिम
एब्सोल्युटली।
साउदी प्लेड।
हम्म
आई थिंक he scored
हम्म
around 40-30. So
हम्म
I see कि हाँ 5 डाउन जडेजा, 6 डाउन अश्विन एंड
हम्म
3 सीमर्स में अगर कोई इंजर नहीं होता है तो
हम्म
प्रॉब्ली ये 3 ही खेलेंगे, बुमराह, शमी और ईशांत। इफ समथिंग
एग्जैक्टली।
हैपेंस, someone underperforms, then they will surely call in सिराज।
मोहम्मद सिराज, एग्जैक्टली।
व्हाट डू यू थिंक? तेरे को लग रहा है 4 सीमर्स होंगे कि 3
नहीं
सीमर्स,
नहीं,
2
मैं
स्पिनर्स?
आई फील इट विल बी थ्री सीमर्स टू स्पिनर्स, बिकॉज वहां पे बैटिंग काफी इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाला है। और इंडिया का जो बॉलिंग लाइनअप है, आई थिंक थ्री सीमर्स विल बी मोर देन इनफ, बट बैटिंग विल लेट डाउन अगेन, आई एम श्योर। इफ देयर इज एक कोलैप्स हो गया उसके बाद हु विल बी देयर, यू नो, आई डोंट थिंक सो मोहम्मद सिराज and Ishant Sharma will come to help like Deepak Chahar did the other day in India versus Sri Lanka. And talking about that series, Arjun, क्या हो गया ये? I mean, I
Man,
just
By
couldn't
the
realize. Hmm.
just letting you guys know कि अर्जुन had predicted कि 2-1 जीतेगी श्रीलंका, और हम लोग हंस रहे थे कि
Oh,
भाई they haven't qualified for the World T20 itself. How you saying that?
yeah.
And exactly
Shit.
that happened. So अर्जुन का एकदम prediction ऐसे वो बेजान दारू
Arjun the
वाला टाइप वर्क
Soothsayer.
किया। Yeah.
हाँ.
I don't know, man. I don't know what to say about that, but I just want to say that it's a very, very, very good feeling when underdog team beats any a team like India. And although they didn't have a lot of the players, the regular players that were playing the ODI series, but I mean, still, it just felt like a IPL All Star team, that the best from Chennai, the best from
Hmm.
Delhi, whoever, everybody's just playing. And most of the Sri Lankan players have never played IPL cricket before. So
Hmm.
I personally, I was celebrating a lot when Sri Lanka won that series, and I was rooting for them right through the ODI to the
Hmm.
T20 series. So, but I'm an exception. I don't think anybody
Hmm.
would feel the same way. But it was
Hmm.
very special, and yeah, Sri Lanka's had such a bad phase in their cricket.
Hmm.
But I hope um, uh, Kumar Sangakkara can come to their rescue, just like how
Hmm.
he has with Rajasthan Royals. We're a big
Right.
Sangakkara fan.
But you know, a lot of people don't know this, that the Sri Lankans also didn't have their best 11. Unka 2 3 players, they were out because of COVID. They had 2 3 players injured. So, and Angelo Matthews, Thisara Pereira recently retired. So, it was also their B team. It wasn't like it was only India's B team, C team playing.
Hmm.
Sri Lankans also, I feel they punched above their weight and they also
Hmm.
actually played well. I mean,
इंडिया की
considering
तो
all the
डी
change.
टीम खेल रही थी भाई, सी भी नहीं, डी टीम
हाँ,
खेल रही थी, कोई था ही
D
नहीं।
team. बेंच
द्रविड़
नहीं
सेट
था.
की 11
Yeah.
प्लेयर्स थे और वो सब खेल रहे थे, बिकॉज
Yeah.
मैं ऐसे ही देख रहा था जब कोलैप्स हुआ है थर्ड ओडीआई, थर्ड T20 में 4
हाँ.
डाउन। मेरे को लगा भुवनेश्वर इसलिए आया है क्योंकि वो टुक टुक करेगा, बट देन आई रियलाइज कि नहीं,
हाँ,
यही
जिसको
फाइनल
बैट्समैन ही
बैट्समैन
नहीं
है।
है।
तो
हाँ,
वो बहुत ही मजबूरी में खेला है। एंड
हाँ,
इन द इंटरव्यूज ऑल्सो आप देखोगे कि बहुत ग्रेटफुल थे जो
जी
श्रीलंकन
हाँ,
कैप्टन और श्रीलंकन कोच थे,
दर्शन शानक। हुँ,
शानका और मिकी आर्थर, कि आपने
हुँ,
मतलब दे थैंक्ड बीसीसीआई कि मतलब कुछ भी स्टार्ट करने से पहले कि
हुँ,
थैंक यू सो मच बीसीसीआई, क्योंकि
हुँ,
दूसरा कोई बोर्ड होता है, कोई भी होता है, वो छोड़ देता, वो सीरीज कंटिन्यू होता है, क्योंकि
हुँ,
हमने जितने भी आप
एग्ज़ैक्टली,
2020 से सीरीज उठा लो, जब भी कोविड का केस आया है सीरीज तुरंत बंद कर दी
बंद हो चुका
है
है,
ना? तो
एग्ज़ैक्टली।
उसके वो एक अच्छा स्टेप मतलब उनके लिए था फॉर श्रीलंकन क्रिकेट, क्योंकि ऐसे मैनेज करने
उनको
में
भी
इवेंट
फंड
को
चाहिए,
बहुत बहुत पैसे
एग्ज़ैक्टली।
जाते हैं, ब्रॉडकास्ट के बहुत सारे पैसे डूब जाते हैं। सो
हुँ,
दे वर वेरी ग्रेटफुल एंड फॉर द
हुँ,
टीम आल्सो, क्योंकि उनको मोमेंटम चाहिए था वर्ल्ड कप,
हुँ।
T20 वर्ल्ड कप जाने से
World
पहले।
Cup
सो
के
दे वर
पहले,
वेरी ग्रेटफुल
exactly.
फॉर इट।
So guys, moving on to the final part of our show. It's a very fun and quirky. I'm sure all of the viewers are going to love it. It's going to be a rapid fire round. Essentially, you guys don't get much time to, answer. Top 7 to 8 seconds, whatever comes up to your mind. You just say, okay, first we'll go with you, Shashwat. We're going to ask you 5 questions. So who do you think is a better captain, MS Dhoni or Virat Kohli?
MS धोनी।
All right. If you wake up
Great।
as Rohit Sharma one day, what would you do first?
I tried to get rid of all the vada paos that are around my bed and have
Why?
a
Why get
relatively
rid of
healthy
them?
life. No, I need to be a fit, no, like as a captain of
Yeah.
or the vice captain. No, nothing. No offense to Rohit. Rohit is a great player,
Great
and
captain.
just joking, मजाक कर रहे थे, seriously नहीं है.
Absolutely. Who do you think is the best sports commentator right now in the cricketing world?
I think Harsha Bhogle.
Harsha Bhogle. All right. Which is the better IPL team according to you? Chennai Super Kings or Mumbai Indians?
Chennai, because they've just not qualified for only only
Hmm.
one IPL season for the playoffs.
Hmm.
बट रिजल्ट्स भले ही नहीं होंगे उनके पास, 3
Hmm.
ट्रॉफीज कम होंगी, बट
But
still the
depth
best.
quality, man. Yeah.
Hmm.
Now, what is your favorite cricketing moment? Does not have to be of any international cricketer watching, but in your life, what is your favorite cricketing moment?
My favorite cricketing moment, uh, I would still go with the ITS, our college intra-college event that we have. So we won
Hmm.
it in
Yeah.
2019. So yeah, that was, and one of my favorite moments was with Arjun. So we
Hmm.
needed 2 runs in 6 balls, and
Yeah.
Arjun was on the strike. Or
Okay.
Arjun is neither a batsman nor a bowler, nor he's just a fielder coming in at
Yeah.
number 7, number 9, एंड अर्जुन को हम पीछे से टिप्स दे रहे हैं, हम सब आउट हो चुके थे, जितने
Huh.
भी टॉप ऑर्डर में लोग थे, लोअर ऑर्डर.
Huh.
हम अर्जुन को, मैं बोल रहा, मैं कैप्टन था, मैं बोल रहा था, अर्जुन
Huh.
भाई तू देख के खेलना और स्ट्राइक दे दे, जो नॉन स्ट्राइकर पर उसको स्ट्राइक दे देना, सिर्फ 2 ही रन चाहिए 6 बॉल में.
Huh.
अर्जुन डिडंट गिव अ शिट. अर्जुन ऐसे देख के स्माइल कर रहा है. ऐसे मतलब कि जैसे हम उससे चैट कर रहे हैं ना, कि किसी से आप पहली बार बात करते हो किसी
Overthrow हो
इंसान
रहा
से.
है
हाँ,
conversation.
नहीं ओवरथ्रो तो तब
हाँ.
था भी नहीं. आप
हाँ.
किसी
But
इंसान
in
से
general.
बात कर रहे हो, किसी इंसान से
हाँ.
बात कर रहे हो ऐसे पार्क में, हाँ, 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 कैसा है? ऐसे
हाँ.
टाइप का रिएक्शन था.
हाँ.
और इतना टेंस सिचुएशन था, हमारी फटी हुई थी. और
हाँ.
अर्जुन बोल रहा है ऐसे कि ओके, ओके, ऑलराइट मैन, ऑलराइट डॉग, ऑलराइट, ऑलराइट.
उसके बाद क्या हुआ? जीत गया आप लोग.
उसके बाद अरे इतनी गंदी बॉल मिली थी, उसपे भी आउट होते होते बचा था ये. सिंगल ले लिया इसने, जीत तो गए थे हम.
So Arjun, now I'll ask you your set of questions, your set of rapid fire. Who is your favorite IPL player?
Ooh, the first one comes to mind, that is Nitish Rana.
Nitish Rana, all right. Who do you think is a better fielder? Okay, who do you think is a gun fielder? Suresh Raina or Virat Kohli?
Jaddu, man, what are you saying?
None of the above.
Jaddu.
Okay. Okay.
I
Who do you
haven't seen
feel?
much of Suresh Raina field, so
Acha.
sorry, I can't say.
Okay. I think you should watch. I mean, World Cup times and everything in between 2000 to 2017. In between 2010 to 2017, he was one of the
Yeah.
most electrifying fielders I feel we had.
Mhm.
Next, who do you feel is the best test batsman of India currently?
Bruh, Pudji.
Pudji, not Virat Kohli. Pudji. Okay.
That's what I think.
All right. If one day you wake up as Yuzvendra Chahal, what would you do first?
Ask Dhanushri, why did you marry me?
गजब बेइज्जती है.
We have a winner here.
Okay. We have a winner. The gift hamper goes to Mr. Arjun. Thank you. And so with this, we come to the end of episode 2. Thank you so much. A big shout out to Arjun and Shashwat and to Overthrow Cricket. I'm gonna, link all your handles over here, all the links of your handles in our description box. So keep rooting for Overthrow Cricket, guys, and keep watching cricket, keep watching Sport Tank. Thank you so much, Shashwat and Arjun.